Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing a recovery drive now, don't delay. Plug a 16 GB or larger USB, then Create a recovery drive in Settings and check Backup System Files so you include the Windows 11 image. Once done, wait for the tool to copy files. This creates both repair tools and an installer image. Make sure the drive finishes verifying before ejecting. This step gives you the only reliable offline recovery route, so you'll want a verified, labeled USB ready for the target PC. You now boot the affected PC from the prepared USB, enter UEFI/BIOS, pick the USB, and disable Secure Boot only if it blocks the media. Once Windows Recovery loads, choose Troubleshoot, and then either start up Repair to fix boot issues or Recover from a drive to reinstall using the image on the USB. When prompted, decide Keep My Files to preserve user data or remove everything for a clean reinstall. Pay attention to drive selection and confirm your choice so you don't overwrite the wrong volume. You finish by following on-screen prompts and allowing several automatic restarts. This is normal as Windows applies the image and drivers. Once the desktop appears, run Windows Update immediately and open Device Manager to verify drivers and reinstall any missing items. Make sure to restore your backed up files and reconfigure settings. If the recovery process fails, recreate the recovery USB on another working machine or boot into safe mode and run chkdsk and sfc/scano. This troubleshooting tip often resolves corrupt media or disk errors before repeating recovery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.